Let's get straight to it. 2010 Honda Accord. This is the 3.5 liter engine. So let's get this battery disconnected. We're going to remove the negative battery terminal. It's a 10 millimeter to get that off. And we're going to set that out of the way so it doesn't bounce back up there. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this harness right here. So this is the harness wire on top of the throttle body, and we just set that out of the way. Normally it's hooked into here. And so the easiest way to do this is we're going to keep this side on, and we're going to loosen this side and just loosen the 4 bolts that's down on top of this intake. Because if we don't, it's going to be real hard removing this while it's attached to that. We're going to be fighting all day with this, trying to remove this in this small space. So we're going to make it easier on ourselves. We're just going to remove this hose clamp here, and then we're going to remove these 4 bolts. So the hose clamps are 5.5 millimeter, and the bolts around here are 8 millimeter. Okay, so we have all 4 of these 8 millimeter bolts loosened up now, and we have this hose clamp right here loosened. So now we just have to remove this harness plug from right here. Just press that down and just pull that right off. And this little piece here is also down in there. You can use a body panel clip tool and remove that. All right, so just like that, that's the easiest way that I found to get this up without tearing this boot or really fighting with it. So now you have clear access to your filter, so you can just reach down in here and remove that. And you can take a look at it, and you can see this definitely needs to be changed. So I'll let them know that this needs to be changed, and we'll put a new one in. So once you get your new filter, the side without this little bump here, this flat side, is a side that goes here in this corner. So we're gonna clean some of this here out too. But so that side without that little those little corner here is a side that fits into there. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new filter in. All right. So now that the filter is in, we just go ahead and put this back together. Let's go ahead and get this back on down there now, so we can route this back onto the throttle body. And then we can drop this back down over the filter. And of course, then we can start to get our bolts back in. All 4 of these we can get back in now. All right, let's get these harnesses in. Let's start with the throttle body right here. Get that clicked in. Let's get this harness in right here. And then there's this one here. We gotta push that through and then click that in.